Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Pixellab Graphics. In this video, I will show you guys how I designed this baby dedication invitation card. So the first thing I need to do is to click on this three dialog here, this menu. Then I exit this. Then launch our Pixellab as fresh. Then go back to this menu, change the image size to square. After that, I'll change the color of the background to light pink, this color, and that is fine, guys. Then I'll delete this text box first. Then I'll click on this plus at the top here to add the baby image to our design. It was sent to me via WhatsApp. So I guess this is fine. Then I open this dialog to lock the image, so I won't be able to move it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to our shapes, add a box, then select gradient color, then click on this plus to add a color. Now this dark part, I'll tap it once, then select the color fill, then click on the color picker to pick the color from the background, and I'm fine with that. So the light part, I'll make that transparent. I'll click on the node first, then select the color fill here, then trace this last bottom here, take it to the transparent part this way, and that is fine. So this my dialog here, I'll adjust it a bit, take it closer to each other this way, and that is fine, guys. So I'll click on this, I'm fine, then I'll rotate it this way, take it to the bottom, then increase the height this way, and I'm fine with this. Let me take it closer a bit, then I'll lock it. So the next thing to do now is to add a text to it. First, everything is being typed in my notepad, so let me minimize this. I go to notepad, so I'm going to copy the text one after the other, then go back to our Pixellab to add text. I'll tap this once, then paste it has been copied, then make it uppercase. Now move it to this point, then change the font, then go to recent fonts. Okay, so I'm going to add color to it. I'll be using sorry for that, I'll be making of black color. Then I'll decrease the font size a bit, I'll make it 25. I'll make it 25. And I'm fine with this, so I'll lock the text as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the next text, which is dedication, along this way. Come here to paste, then I click on this to add our text. Then tap here, I'll paste it, then I'll make the first letter of the dedication capital letter. Then I increase the font size this way. Then I come to fonts. I'll make use of what we call beta grade fonts. Beta grade. So I'll skip that for now. Then I'll come to shapes. I draw a shape here underneath the place. Then I give it a purple color, which is gradient color. So I'll be giving it this color. So I guess that's fine. Okay, let me decrease it. Okay. So let me drag this dedication text. I'll increase the font size. I'll make the color feel white color. Then I'll also give it a stroke. Stroke means an outline to the text. So I'll give it white as well. Then I'll make the width point 2. Then I'll add shadow to the text. Enable. Then I'll fade the opacity. That's the shadow transparency. I'll fade it a bit this way. Then I'll drag this here. Now this is not showing. It's quite simple. So what I need to do is to open this dialog. Then I'll drag this text above it this way. And that is fine, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is to open this. Please join us in the. I'll take it up a bit. Okay. I'll take it up a bit by using position. Just up a bit, and that is fine. So I'm going to merge. Okay, let me copy this box first before merging it together. Copy this box first, then I'll merge. I'll lock it. Then I'll merge the dedication and the first box underneath it. I'll merge it together, and this is fine, guys. So I can be able to move it at once. So let me work with my position to make it centralize. Then I'll lock it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add a text. Let me copy the next text of our daughter. Add the text. Double tap to edit the text of our daughter. There are mixes of same fonts I use for the please join us in the. So I'll go to fonts, then recent, then I'll select this, and that is fine, guys. Then the color is going to be black color, black color. Then the font size, I'll make the same font size, which is 25, with the please join us 25. Then I'll mix of my relative tools to bring it to the center. Then mix of position. So make it, can increase this, can increase this. So make it faster. Then I'll take this up. Of our daughter. Then I will lock this as well. Then go back to my notepad to copy the name of the baby. copy, go back to Pixellab, add text, double tap on it, now paste it. So the last name, which is the surname, I'll break it this way. Boom, and that's fine, guys. Now change the fonts as well. Sorry, change the font first. I think I mix of bouncy fonts. Yeah, these fonts. So I'll mix it of lift it to bring it to the center. Then select position, increase this as well to bring it to the middle. Then I'll mix of align to make it centralized this way. Then I'll mix all this spacing. I'll increase it a bit to spread it out. So that is fine. So I'm going to change the color now to deep orange. Deep orange. Boom. Then I'll add a stroke to it. I'll give it a white color instead of black. I'll be using it of white. Then I can make this 5. Then I'll add shadow to it as well. Enable. Then I decrease the opacity a bit. Then I can increase the font size a bit. I don't need this though. So I'll select the position to make it well align with what we are doing. So this is fine, guys. Boom, we're getting close. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to drag this shape here. I drag it underneath this way. Let me lock the these journals. This. So I'm going to decrease this a bit. Let me zoom in to decrease it again. Decrease. Then zoom out. So I guess I'm fine this way. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make it well aligned with what we are doing. Just make it well aligned. So I guess this is cool. So I'll add a text to it. That's for the date. Dates. Then I'll change the font to same font we use for our daughter. Then I'll mix of a relative position to bring it down. Spread this out. Then I'm going to decrease the font size to 20. Then mix of the position. 15 to bring it down. and make it aligned there. Then I'll change the color to white. The color of the text. I'll change it to white. Then go back to our position. I can make it centralized this way. Done guys, so I'm fine with this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to open this dialog, then copy the text we use for the date to have a text there for the day. So the date is Sunday 5th. Then comma June 2022. Spread this out. We do the same thing as usual. Relative position, we make it to 15. Then push this down. Then make the color white, black rather. So let's select this again. Here's our position. Let's decrease it. So I guess it is being centralized now. So the next thing we're going to do is to copy the box. Yeah, copied it here. Then mix of same thing. Relative position. Then position, we make it 15 to make it fast. Push down this way. So let's take it back a bit. And this is fine. So open this dialog again, then copy the date text. So this time I'm going to make it time. But before that, let's position this as well by clicking on relative position, then position, we make it 15, then push this down, then take it inside this way. Go back to your position, take it back, then double tap on this to have to edit the text, which is time. And that is fine. So you open this dialog again, then copy the date, the text for the date to have the time there. Relative position, position, you make it 15, then push this down underneath it this way. And edit it to that's 8 p.m. 8 a.m. point. 8 a.m. point. Then you position this as well. So guys, we're almost done. So the next step for us is to add our venue as well. So we do the same thing. We copy this box first, then relative position, then come to position, we make it 15, then push this down this way, then go back there again, go back to the position, then backspace it once. Click on this dialog, then click on the time, you make it a copy for the venue. So same process as usual. Relative position. You click at the center and position. That's not bad. Went to fonts. Now to position. You make this 15. Then push this down. Then take it inside. Double tap on it to have the venue. You added the text to venue. And this is fine, guys. So the next thing you need to do is to copy the text for the time. Copy the text for the time. Then come to your relative position. You click on the center. Then click on your position. You make it 15. Then take it down. So and that is fine, guys. So you go to your notepad to copy the address. Then go back to your Pixellab. You double click on this. Then copy the text in there. Now take this out, spread it a bit. So we are going to decrease the font size for the address. Remember the text is much, so you have to make it okay. 15 is good. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to align, then make it centralize. Align, centralize. Then I'll mix of my position to make it web position. So we are done, guys. So what we need to do now is to lock everything. Yeah. So this is how to design the baby dedication invitation card in Pixellab. Let me zoom in so I can see how stunning it looks. Nice, guys. So thank you. See you in my next video.